Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to measure distance. As example, you can create new design and create rectangle for the example objects. Okay, you can use Pool Tools to convert into 3D. And now if you want to measure distance between these objects, you can use the Pool Tools and then click these icons, measure. Now you can click like from this point, press Ctrl button, hold, and then you can click in these points to see the distance between these 2 points. If you want to see the distance between these 2 objects from the vertical lines, you can click at the face, double click in it. And then you can press Ctrl button, click again in this face. So it will be create the distance between these 2 objects. You also can set like from this edge into this edge. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to measure distance. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.